And I learned from that study that one of the best things we can do is read information in whatever form, a magazine, research article, et cetera, a book. And then to take some time away from that material, maybe walk, maybe close one's eyes, maybe leave them open, doesn't matter, and just try and remember specific elements. How much does one remember? Then go back to the material and look at it. And I've just been positively astonished at how much more information I can learn.
The core idea of that book was ActiveRecall. That was the core idea, that replicating ideas, the way I used to say is replicating the information from scratch as if teaching a class without looking at your notes. That is the only way to learn. And the thing about it was it's a trade-off. It's efficient, doesn't take much time, but it's incredibly mentally taxing, right? This is why students often avoid it. It is difficult to sit there and try to replicate and pull forth, okay, what did I read here? How did that work? It's mentally very taxing, but it's very time efficient, right? If you're willing to essentially put up with that pain, you learn very quickly. And not only do you learn very quickly, you don't forget. It's almost like you have a pseudo photographic memory when you study this way. You sit down to do a test and you're replicating like whole lines from like what you studied. The ideas sort of come out fully formed because it's such a fantastic way to actually learn. With a few other tricks that worked, you could really master the material pretty quickly. And then what am I supposed to do? I didn't do all-nighters. It wouldn't make any sense. Like ActiveRecall is how you prepare, and it's going to take 4 hours, and it's going to be tough. So do it in the morning when you have energy, and then you're done.